Smart skill for middle school students. And now these sessions are offered absolutely free of charge and you can join. You can join online. These are meant for students, for middle school students, and for all quantitative and numerical aptitude tests. So students from anywhere in the world can join and it's absolutely free. So contact us if you want to join. You can have regular math session to prepare for your school exam or for competitive exam. So school students can join. For school students, it will be not only these types of questions, but also actually what they're learning in schools according to their school textbook. So they can join. Students up to class 10, they can join, and those who are preparing for numerical aptitude tests or those who are preparing for Olympiads, they also can join. These are smart skill, and although we say for middle school students, many of them many of these questions would also be found useful for those appearing for competitive examination, job oriented, railways, banking, public service commission. So anyone can join us absolutely free of charge. So contact us if you really want to have regular, not one day, regular online sessions. Now in this video, we have a figure. It looks like a triangle, but it is not a triangle. It's a quadrilateral. You can see that there are four corners. There are four vertices. So although it looks like a triangle, it's actually something like an arrow, but it is a quadrilateral. And the angle x, you can see that angle x is an exterior angle. The angle x which is given is an exterior angle, and the interior angle would be reflex angle. When we say reflex angle, we mean more than 180 degrees. More than 180 degrees reflex angle. So the interior angle would be a reflex angle and the exterior angle is x, and the other three interior angles P, Q, R. And you have to prove that R x equal to P plus Q plus R. What do you have to prove? Angle x is equal to angle P plus angle Q plus angle R. So free online classes for students from all over the world. You can contact us and join us to have regular sessions to improve your math skills. So let us see how to prove angle x is equal to the sum of the angles of P and Q and R. So smart skill for middle school students, the quadrilateral, we have to prove x equal to P plus Q plus R. Look at the reflex angle. You can see the animation. See the animation, that is a reflex angle. Why reflex angle? Because it is more than 180 degrees. It is more than 180 degrees. So the reflex angle, which is the interior angle, x is the exterior angle. So the interior angle, the reflex angle should be 360 minus x, because the total should be always 360. Angle around a point is 360, so one part is x. So the interior angle, which is a reflex angle, should be 360 minus x. So we mark that 360 minus x. Forget about that x. 360 minus x, that is the interior angle, reflex angle. Now since it is a quadrilateral, the sum of the four angles should be 360. The sum of the four angles you can see blinking should be 360, because it is a quadrilateral. The sum of the angles must be 360. So P plus Q plus R plus 360 minus x is 360. Cancel out 360 from both sides. P plus Q plus R minus x is 0. That is P plus Q plus R is equal to x. So x is equal to p plus q plus r, and that's what we had to prove. So school students can contact us for free online classes. For school students, we will be having sessions dealing with questions related to their textbook, related to what they are studying in schools, related to their exams. And for others, those who are preparing for Olympiads, or those who are preparing for competitive exams, job-oriented competitive exams, like railway, banking, other private sectors, public sectors. So for them, we will be having competitive exam questions. And for school students, we will be having school textbook questions according to their grade. So both school students and those who are preparing for online exams, and those who are interested. It may not be that they are students. Even if they are not students, they are interested in math, they also can join. Everyone can join us online. Contact us now so that we can have together online sessions to improve our math skills. So we shall meet again. Till then, thank you and goodbye.